going on, Mr. Dave here on the rock pile? I'm looking at a job that we need to do some rust repairs, maybe some slide re-engineering because it's kind of not safe. So let's check this out. Really cool casting job, and it's been around long enough to where we got this cool mossy stuff growing on it. Really awesome. This whole thing was a poured slope, then they poured concrete on top and made some of these stepping stones. It's sort of a ramp. These are all casting pieces, puzzle fitted together. And so these castings are really cool because they're an exact copy of the real thing. But then they have to blend together the various parts. And so that's very likely this edge here, right here, coming along. If they do it right, they can last a long time. She said this is upwards of a 30-year-old job. Slide trough to me and its orientation is very bad. Very wide, open pockets right here with rocks sticking out. Aim the camera. Not safe, not safe. So if you started right here, you'd go straight into that rock. That would be your direction. So like 3 kids want to go all at once. If the parents aren't paying attention, they're all going to crunch into that wall over there and be busted up pretty darn good. So not a good design. We're talking about moving the starting water lines over a little bit, maybe building up a perimeter curve that'll at least direct the rider to where they're just aiming straight out that front section. So anyways, very cool. It's been raining, so we get to see the darker color, but as it dries out, it's going to be more of this color. It's bleached out. I think this probably somewhere along here is the seam between the castings. Again, a casting section right there. You can kind of see this is definitely cast work, I think. And again, I think the castings they did here were really well done. Cinder block wall on this whole back wall, or over there really. And then they did the boulder puzzle pieces going on. And so, yeah, it's bleached out there. The paint's gone. Apparently I painted this maybe 10 years ago. I don't remember anything anymore. The edge of the slide there sticks into the pool too much. The pool is 5 foot deep everywhere. So if little Jimmy's swimming, playing around in the pool, and you just go down and come up, you could clock your head pretty darn good. Not a good thing. So there's a few cracks around the back here and stuff of these puzzle pieces. You can see at the bottom there where they added the cement from that casting piece. So anyway, Mr. Dave, you're checking out a remodel, repair, recolor job, and thought I'd give you a little taste of it. And so yeah, davehenderson.podia.com, show you how we do stuff like this. There's even a new course that has just come out. Stop shaking the camera, Dave. And you can check that out. It's a project study course number 1, Le Grand Remodel. And so you can check that out. We actually use rebar stitched across cracks and then put brand new concrete in there and stuff. So definitely want to check that out. www.davehenderson.com for blogs and links to other platforms. So hope you're having a good day. God bless you guys. Remember to be thankful and forgiving. Thankful and forgiving. Build bridges between people instead of walls as much as you can. All right, guys. We love you out there in wherever land, and I hope you have a good day. So we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye.